Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your Zangi app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on settings, then come to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on privacy here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on head conversation here. When you just click here on head conversation, it's going to take you to this list, and here can you click here on subscribe here to premium. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here, add credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you I gave it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.